student. Let us start your new chapter of computer, chapter number 6, working with Flash CS6. Introduction. Flash is widely used animation software package which was developed by Adobe System. Flash is used for doing animation, for making animation. It is a software package which was developed by Adobe. It was formerly known as Macromedia. For the first name of Flash was Macromedia. With the help of Flash, we can create animation consisting of image, sound and video. What we can do with the help of Flash? With the help of Flash, we can create animation consisting of image, sound and videos in a versatile and lucid manner. Lucid means simple. Versatile means dynamic. With several effects. We can make the animation of using image, sound and video. It is a vector-based program. Therefore, any object or graphics created in it can be scaled to any size. Vector based means the size when or any object or graphics, whatever you will create, it can be resized, it can be rescaled to any size without changing its quality. You can say, sir, we can resize a thing, small thing, we can make it resize, but in that case the pixel will get disturbed. But in this case it is a vector based, so if you are making resize, the quality will not get changed. Among its several applications, developing interactive website, online advertisement, games and various content for mobile devices. There are many applications of using the Flash. The Flash is used for developing the websites, online advertisement, games and various content for mobile device also. Now playing a video in a movie in a web browser is the best of all the feature of Flash. You must have seen the videos played in the website, web browser. That is again example of Flash, and that is the most important feature of Flash. Now how to work on it? This is the workspace. Flash is very similar to the Paint software in the window. You must have studied about the Paint software in MS Windows, which is very similar to that. The tools in the Flash are pretty much the same in Paint. The tools which are there in the Flash, they are just like that which are there in the Paint, but they are used for animation instead of drawing here. But here they are used for animation, but in Paint they are used for drawing. Workspace will be like this. The workspace can be understood as the arrangement of several Flash elements. What is workspace? The workspace which can be understood as the arrangement of several Flash elements like control panel, stage, property inspector and tool panel. There are different sort of options are there. Now stage. Stage in Flash is like a drawing board where graphics and animation can be created or modified. What is stage? A stage in Flash is just like a drawing board where graphics and animation can be created or modified. It is a white space located at the center of the workspace. You can see it is a stage area. White space. It is white space located at the center of the workspace. The stage dimension is 550 by 400 pixel. Length, height 550 by 400 pixel. By default, it is surrounded by work area which is grey in color. It is also having surrounded by grey color area which is known as work area. This is work area. Grey color is work area. We can also place the content in the work area and animate them. We can place the content in work area and animate it. The view of the stage can be changed by going into view and selecting zoom in and zoom out. We can see the view of the stage by using the view option and by selecting zoom in and zoom out. Next is menu. Common functions can be controlled with the help of menu, such as opening, closing or saving a document. Common features, just like the other software, they can be controlled by using the menu, like opening and closing or saving of the document. Other features are also included, such as copying, pasting, calling up specific panel, control over Flash environment, etc. can be seen in the menu options. Other features are also included, like copying, pasting, calling up specific panels, control over the Flash environment, which can be seen in a menu option. Tool panel. Several tools are a part of tool panel. Different tools are there which are the parts of tool panel. We can find a tool to draw, paint and select, modify the object in the workspace. We can use the tools to draw, paint, select and modify the object in the workspace. The tool panel broadly classified into 4 parts. See, this is you can see the tool mouse like this. The tool panel divided into 4 parts. One is the tool section, view section, color section, option section. Now tool section, it comprises of tools used for drawing and painting, selecting object. It consists of the tool which is used for drawing, painting and selecting object. View section, it comprises of tools for zooming and panning the application. Zoom in, zoom out, panning, that will be there in view section. Color section, it consists of colors for the shape you will draw with the stroke and the fill color picker. Different option like stroke, fill color, fill color picker is there, and which is used to just fill the color, and you can find these color in color section. Last is option section. Option section consists of modifiers for the tool in current section. It consists of the two modifiers for the tool. A modifier affect the painting or editing operation of the tool. A modifier affect the painting or editing operation of a tool, like this. Now, next is timeline. What is timeline? A timeline can be defined as a fixed window which stays on the top of every object in the workspace. What is timeline? It can be defined as the fixed window which stays on top of every object in the workspace. It helps in controlling and organizing the content of document over time in frames and layer. It helps in controlling and organizing the content of document over time in time frames and layer. Layers are the major component of timeline. What are layers? Layers are the major component of timeline. Frames and playhead are also crucial important. Frames and playheads are also crucial important. Frames are the ruler like strips which is like there in timeline with a field label as layer 1. This is the you can say a diagram of timeline, how it is showing on there. It consists of playhead, keyframe, timeline frame, layer 1. This is okay.